Hey all, Jose here, and today we are going to be reviewing the Irvlabs Center MOLLE System for the R1T and R1S. Make sure you watch all the way through the end for a chance to win one of these awesome accessories for your Rivian R1T and R1S. Let's get started. Hey everyone, here Jose from Rivian Tracker with another Rivian Tracker accessory review video. Today I'm reviewing the Irvlabs Center MOLLE console that they sell for the Rivian R1T and the R1S. This is it right here in its fully assembled form, and I want to walk you through this fun accessory that they sent over from me to review. I was actually looking at purchasing this already because it was exactly what I wanted for my center console, lower center console in my Rivian. Many of you who own Rivians know that the center lower console that kind of sits right in front of where the camp speaker or drawer is, it's a lot of wasted space, and if you just throw stuff down there, it kind of will bang around and make a lot of noise, and it's very unorganized. And a couple of different companies make 3D printed accessories to put there, but Irvlabs went a whole different route, and they made this super duper awesome. They call it the Center MOLLE System, right? I hope I'm saying that right. MOLLE. Center MOLLE System precision cut. Words are hard, you guys. Precision cut, made out of metal, full metal. And it weighs a little bit. I'm not gonna lie, it's a little heavy, but you could tell that there's quality to this product. And this is like the kind of full out built product, and I want to walk through the different aspects of what this is. So, and we'll go to the car and I'll put it in and show you how it looks in there and all that. And you probably already saw that in the beginning, but let me show you what this does. So this is what it looks like. This is kind of what it sits. This is the side profile of it, okay? So this kind of sits inside the vehicle, and this one, being the built-out version, has a couple of accessories. So the way they sell it is they sell the base plate, right? So the base plate, which is just the bottom and the top, right? There's no accessories or anything. It's just a basic MOLLE panel. Then they sell different accessories that you can mount on. So you have these panels on the side here. So this is the low panel. They also sell a medium panel. So this would go, you know, if you would put this here like this, and it would be a raised up version of the panel. And then they also have a high version of the panel that looks like this, and it would sit, whoops, where is it? Would sit up higher. And this allows you to place, you know, different accessories and stuff like that on it right there in the center console, as well as hold your stuff back should you want to. What's really cool is that this is very modular. So you have the side panels, you can swap around, you can put a high panel on the side, you can put a low panel. I'm rocking the low panels, and I'll tell you why. This is the cup holder accessory, right? And I like it because these are big holes, so you can put big cups in it. So if you have a Stanley or an Owala, let me show you here. I have an Owala that I carry with me everywhere. And what's really cool about it is that you can put this right there and it will sit nicely. And in the vehicle, it won't move very much, right? It stays pretty good still there. So I like it because my wife and I, Ashley, we always carry our cups of water around, and it's really nice to have these additional cup holders sitting down in the front of the vehicle there. So that's my favorite addition, is the cup holders. Next, you have these two shelf pockets, they call them. They're two individual ones. And pretty much, it's exactly what it is. It's a pocket to put stuff in. Maybe you want to keep your car's registration in there. Maybe you have important paperwork. You can keep your national park passes in there. Whatever you like, this is where you can keep that stuff. And there's two panels. You can buy them separately. You can buy them two if you like, but you can put up to two. And that will let you kind of have a little bit of organized storage for paperwork and stuff like that in the front of your center console. So beautiful piece of work here, guys. I like it a lot. So I do have a couple of critiques about it, and let me talk to you about those critiques. So One thing, the first thing that came to my mind was pricing, and I spoke to the folks at Irvlabs, and they're super awesome. Huge shout out to them for number one sending me this for review. Great, you know, that's great, good metal. Like it's just a good product, right? Quality wise, zero issues. But it is expensive, and why I say that because it's in different pieces that you have to buy. So if you want to buy the main base plate, right, we're talking about just the base plate with the bottom and the top that doesn't really have any accessories or anything attached to it. That's $99 right there, right? So $99, you can get yourself a 3D printed console organizer, right, on Amazon. Another friend of ours, T-Wraps, they sell one, but it's not going to be as good quality, and that's kind of where you have to decide on quality. And then you have the MOLLE panels, right? The MOLLE panels start at $29 for this the low rise version, right? But they go all the way up, so you can get the highest is $38. So you're gonna need two of those, right? So 38 times 2 for that. And then you have the drinkware holder. So this panel here that lets you hold your drinks, right? You're gonna probably want that. Maybe you don't, but Rivian lacks cup holders in the front row, right? You only really get two. So I feel like this is a must. $38. And then you have the shelf pockets, and those you can get either as a single or double, but a double pack is going to be $58 for these shelves, or a single is $38. Honestly, if you're looking at it, get the double, it's a better value. So that quickly adds up, right? All of that really quickly adds up to money. And so what I told the folks at Irvlabs was like, hey, you guys should really consider making some bundles of this product and having variants where you already have like a pre-built version. You know, maybe the customer can still build it and all that. It's very easy. It's just torque screws, right? Super duper easy to take apart, not hard at all. They do put, I think it's called Loctite. So they're very hard to take off, but they did that purposely so there's no rattles and nothing will come loose. So just be aware of that. It does require a little bit of force to take the panels off. But again, their thought process was people are going to buy a variant however they want. They're not really going to go take it apart too often. So, and that's fair. So pricing, definitely a big deal. She heavy, right? She heavy. Not a big deal again once you put it in, but getting it into to where it has to sit inside the center console can be a little tricky, and it might scratch up a little bit of the area. So just be aware of that. Not a big deal, a little nitpicky there, but I just want to point out all of the flaws that I found with that. Really, it comes down to the price. And maybe the one other thing, if I had to make a suggestion, would be these cup holders they're really great, but they sit a little far back in the console. So the issue with that is that it will hit, if you have a tall cup, it will hit the bottom of the center console where the AC vents are. So maybe if there was an option to move this just a tad forward, it'd be cool. There's a little bit of space to do that, and you have all this space down here that really you may or may not use. So another 2 cents. But overall, once you put this in there, it's great because they've designed this to be flush. So that actually means that you could take the cam speaker and the drawer that comes natively with the Rivian, you can actually pull it out and use it. A lot of other 3D printed tools or whatnot don't let you do that, and that's a huge issue. So I'm really glad that you can use this and not lose out on the functionality of your center drawer that you have in your Rivian. So overall, I give this a 9 out of 10. I think the biggest sticking point for people is going to be price. But if you can get past the price and then you don't mind spending money on a quality product, because they've built a quality product here, yeah, overall it's going to be great. I think that's a huge win. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little quick review of the Irvlabs Center MOLLE System for the Rivian R1T and R1S. And stay tuned to this video because I'm going to be giving away one of these, and you might be interested in it. So see you guys in a few minutes. I'm going to go take this to the car, and we're going to show you what it looks like in the vehicle. All right, folks, here it is. This is the Irvlabs Center MOLLE System in my R1T. And I want to show you a couple things in here. So we've put it in. As you can see, it sits nice and cozy. from the top view there, you don't have to remove the rubber that's already here. So that stays in there and it kind of just sits in between, and it is designed to have very minimal jiggle room. So it can't really move too much, which is nice. And then, like I mentioned, full access to your camp drawer or camp speaker if you need to. So you have that availability of using this, which is really nice. I have a 40-ounce Owala cup here, and I wanted to show you just the tight fit, right? If you have a Stanley with a straw, it will not fit. Now, okay, let me reiterate. It will fit, but the straw will be hitting. So this is where it kind of gets a little difficult, and I wish it was moved forward a bit because you can get it out, but I don't know. I feel like, you know, putting it in is a little bit of a struggle. It's just, you know, maybe I just need to have smaller cups. I don't know. But that's what that kind of looks like. And then you have the pockets. I keep my car registration hand sanitizer back there. And you do have 2 pockets to put stuff in, like I mentioned. So that's really convenient. And then there's a little latch at the top here. Not a latch, but kind of a notch that will sit inside of the vehicle trim easily back here. And that, again, just kind of holds it in place. So nothing, you know, it's not going to be going and moving anywhere, which is really, really nice. For Irvlabs, you have very subtle branding right here on the front. Not a lot, that's all you get. And like I said, depending on the side panel pieces you get, this will be either higher or shorter. So you get, this is again the low, so you can kind of see what it looks like there. But overall, a really cool accessory. I'm a fan of it. And now I'm going to show you how you can win one. So now it's your chance to win one of these Irvlabs Center MOLLE System bundle exactly how you wanted it. You get to build it out, configure it, and get it yourself. And the way to do that is you're going to comment the following word in the comments below to know that you made it through this whole video. Also, make sure you're subscribed. You have to be subscribed in order to participate and win, and for a chance to win this giveaway. The secret word is Wasim. Wasim is the secret word. Comment below Wasim, W-A-S-S-Y-M. If you know who he is, bonus points. And I'll see you guys in the next one.